Most men think attraction is about looks, money, and status. That's why they keep getting ignored. What actually creates attraction in a woman's mind are specific psychological triggers. Today, you're going to understand 5 psychological triggers that exist in the mind of all girls. These psychological triggers are weaknesses. You'll understand them with me clearly. I'm not just going to list them for you and leave it at that. I'll show you how to take advantage of them. So listen carefully. Women can't resist a man with contrasting personalities. Women are surrounded by predictable men. Men who are always calm, always composed, always exactly what she expects them to be. And here's what predictability does to attraction. It kills it. Because the moment she can predict you, she stops thinking about you. And the moment she stops thinking about you, you've already lost. Here's what works instead. Contrast. If you're generally strong and composed, let her see a spontaneous, playful side of you occasionally. If you're naturally warm and easygoing, show her a sharper, a more direct edge sometimes. Because here's how women actually think. They overthink everything. From the moment they wake up, if she sees a child crying, she will think all day about that child, creating scenarios, trying to make sense why that child was crying. So when you show her something that doesn't fit the image she had of you, she takes that home with her. That's what keeps you in her head. Contrast creates mystery, and mystery creates obsession. But staying in her mind is only the beginning. Because weakness number 2 is about something even more powerful than mystery. They're powerless against a man who doesn't need their approval. Think about the environment most women live in. They're constantly surrounded by men who change their opinions to match hers, who agree with everything just to avoid conflict. And then she meets a man who doesn't do any of that. A man who holds his position when she pushes back, who doesn't chase when she pulls away. The psychological response to that is instant, because he's not like everyone else. And here's the shift that happens inside her when she encounters that man. She stops evaluating him and starts wondering if she's good enough for him. That's the dynamic most men never create, because they're too busy seeking her approval to realize they could be the one receiving it. Stop performing for her. The moment you genuinely stop needing her validation, she starts seeking you. I want you to like the video now because weakness number 3 is the one most men never figure out. They want to earn you, not receive you. This is something I want you to honestly think about. When was the last time you truly valued something that came easily to you? Exactly. Women are the same way. They don't value what they don't work for. And when you give everything up front, you leave her nothing to chase. Here's a practical example of how this works. You tell her casually in conversation, "I really admire women who know how to cook." Just honest and natural. But when she goes home that night, if she can't cook, her brain immediately starts running. Does he think less of me? Am I not what he's looking for? Should I learn? That internal question she's asking herself about you is what pulls her closer. So stop giving yourself away freely, not because you're playing games, because you genuinely have standards worth meeting. Now you know exactly why. And weakness number 4 is what separates men who get genuine respect from men who just get used. Criticism makes your compliments irreplaceable. This is a principle I want you to remember for the rest of your life. When you criticize her, your compliments become more valuable. Think about it from your own experience. If someone tells you you're smart every single day, after a while, those words mean absolutely nothing. They become background noise. But if someone who's always been direct and honest with you suddenly looks at you and says, "That was genuinely impressive," you remember that. The same thing happens here. When you only ever compliment her, your praise stops meaning anything. But when you're honest, when you tell her that outfit doesn't really suit her, something shifts. She starts actually listening when you speak, because she knows your words aren't empty. She knows you say things because you mean them. And a man whose words actually mean something, that's a man she respects. Which brings us to the final weakness. Mystery is more powerful than anything you could say. Women say they want transparency, honesty, openness, and eventually, in a real relationship, they do. But in the early stages of attraction, mystery is the single most powerful force you have. Here's why. When a man shares everything, explains everything, there's nothing left to discover. And discovery is what drives attraction forward. When there is side of you she hasn't unlocked yet, when she senses there's more beneath the surface than you're showing, her imagination fills those gaps. and imagination is always more interesting than reality. Here's what this looks like in practice. She asks about your weekend. Instead of a full breakdown, you say, "It was interesting. I'll tell you about it sometime." Then you move on. That one unanswered question pulls her closer. Think of it this way. A book that shows you the ending on the first page? Nobody reads it. But a book that keeps you guessing chapter after chapter? You can't put it down. Be that book. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to the channel, because the next video breaks down the exact conversations that trigger deep attraction. Most men never learn this. Don't be most men.